Of course, Paul, amidst all that, we also had the CEO being named for Crown as well. So it's been a busy morning so far.
Yes, it's been quite the morning for the gaming stocks here in Sydney. Well, that Star offer is indicative. It's non-binding, and it values Crown at around about $14 per share. Star saying it's offering 2.68 of its shares for each Crown share, so that implies a value of about 14 per share. Crown has, of course, been beset by all sorts of problems. It does have a glittering new casino here on the Sydney waterfront, which it cannot open because the regulator refused it a licence after a damning inquiry into money laundering, links to organised crime and various other regulatory failures. And there's more inquiries coming in Western Australia and Victoria. So the Star bid is potentially a rather elegant solution to all of that. Star saying it's got a track record of operating casinos in Sydney, Brisbane and the Gold Coast, and by merging, it would create a combined casino giant worth about $12 billion. So in response to this, we have Blackstone, which rather interestingly had previously partnered with Star to try and win over Crown, going it alone and now raising its own offer for Crown to about $12.35 per share.
It's so interesting, Paul. So, put it all together for us. You've got all these things happening at once. The story's moving quickly. Investors want to know, where is this likely to go next? Is this it? Do you think Blackstone now kind of steps aside and says it's over for our bid, or which ball is in whose court?
There are multiple balls and multiple courts at the moment, but I guess the one that really matters is Crown, which hasn't yet formed a view on the merits of the Star proposals. Though Crown is considering what's been put in front of it today. For investors, there are various ways the Star deal could play out because it does include a cash alternative of $12.50 per share for as much as 25% of Crown's issued shares. But for its part, Star is saying a merger would deliver some cost savings, maybe $150 to $200 million per year. The Star chairman, John O'Neill, saying in a statement there's significant scale and diversification options here that could unlock $2 billion in synergies. And, of course, there are obvious synergies from marketing to loyalty programs and the like. So we shall have to see where this goes, who moves next, whether either party sweetens the deal. And it does put the new CEO of Crown, Steve McCann, in a very interesting position. He was just announced as a CEO of Crown today, and now he's placed in a situation which would have him asking questions about just how long his tenure is going to be, depending on how this plays out.